Hello everyone, good to see you again. Let's practice. Okay, this is Workbook Part 4A. Family and friends. Vocabulary, people and family. Complete the chart. Singular. Singular means one. Plural, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, for example, look at number 1, boy, boys. Okay, complete the chart. Okay, and part B, look, this is a family tree. This is me, Amy, Max, Barbara. So Max is my father. Max is the father. Complete the family tree. Okay, let's do it. Stop the video. Do part A and part B. Check it with your partner. Play the video. Okay, let's do it. Girls, girl. Woman, women, women. Man, man. Friend, friends. Child, children. Person, people. Great, well done. Peter's my, so Peter, this is Amy. Peter is the husband. Barbara's my, of course, mother. Lily's my, Lily, okay, is my daughter. Rob is the brother. Well done. Jaden's my, Jaden, let's find Jaden. This is Jaden. Jaden's my son. Lucy's my, of course, sister. I'm Peter's wife. Great, well done. Good. This is a family. A family. Okay, grammar. Possessive adjectives. Complete the chart. I have a book. It's my book. Do you remember? I have a cell phone. It's my cell phone. You have a book. It's your book. He has a book. It's, yes, do the rest. And part B, complete the sentences. Okay, that's my laptop. Here's, yeah. Again, stop the video. Do it and check it with your partner. Play the video. Okay. I, my, you, your, he, his. She has a book. It's her book. It has a house. It's its house. Yeah. We have a car. It's our car. You have a book. It's your book. Nice. And they have a house. It's their house. Well done. That's my laptop. Number 2. Here's your coffee, sir. Number 3. What's his name? Number 4. Look at her hat. Number 5. Your children are cute. Number 6. This is our house. Number 7. That's its toy. The cat's toy. Its toy. Yeah. And number 8. His car is great. And you are great. Yeah? Okay. Part C. Complete the sentences. For example, number 1. Carmen is Diego's sister. Switch it. Diego is Carmen's brother. Yeah? Good. And part B, look at the apostrophe S in the sentences. For example, number 1, 2, 3, all the way to 8. Is it? Is, for example, he is a teacher. Is it is or is it possessive? For example, Mark's wife, right? Mark's wife is Brazilian, so it's possessive. Mark's wife. But Tiffany's on vacation. Tiffany is on vacation, so it's is. Alright, stop the video again. Do it and check it with your partner. Play the video. Okay, number 2. Charlotte is Peter's wife. So Peter is Charlotte's husband. Right, good. Number 3. Mark is Angelina's brother. So Angelina is Mark's sister. Well done. Richard is Maria's father. So Maria is Richard's daughter. Anna is Paulo's mother. So Paulo is Anna's son. William is Megan's husband. So Megan is William's wife. Sarah is Michael's daughter. So Michael is Sarah's father. Roberto is Luisa's son. So Luisa is Roberto's mother. Very good. Number 1, it's done. Mark's wife is Brazilian. Possessive. Mark's wife. Tiffany is on vacation. Tiffany is on vacation. Yeah. Those are Amy's cats. Possessive. It's a great cell phone. It is a great cell phone. This is my brother's room. Brother's room. Yeah. Jennifer's in Brazil. Jennifer is in Brazil. What's your name? What is your name? Peter's son is 12. Yeah, Peter's son. Great. I'm proud of you. Alright, so pronunciation. Circle the word with the different sound. Camera, umbrella, gloves. Camera, arrow. Right? Now, listen and check.
File 4A. Pronunciation. B. 1.
Camera, umbrella, gloves. Camera is different.
2.
Mother, husband, person. Person is different.
3.
Woman, son, children. Son is different.
4.
Sunday, Monday, Thursday. Thursday is different.
Okay, well done. Very good. So these are the answers. Great. Now, circle the words with, look, for example, person. Right? Okay. Now listen and check.
File 4A. Pronunciation. D. 1.
Morning, person,
Arabic. 2.
Understand. Camera. Card.
3.
chair, paper, door.
4.
0. 4. 30.
Okay, let's check them. Understand, paper, 30, right? Good. Okay, listen and number the pictures from 1, 2, 3, and 4. Listen and number.
File 4A. Listening. 1.
That's a cute picture. Is she your daughter?
No, she isn't. She's my sister's daughter.
Oh, how old is she?
She's 5, and her name is Peggy.
2.
Hi, Tom. Who's the woman in the picture?
That's Elizabeth. She's in my English class.
She's very good looking. Is she your girlfriend?
Yes, she is.
Lucky you.
3.
Where's my cell phone?
It's there, on the chair.
No, that isn't my phone. It's my sister's.
Oh. Is it in your bag?
Yes, it is.
4.
Look, that's Mia's car.
Is that her husband?
Yeah, his name's Eric.
Eric Lee?
No, that's Mia's last name. His last name is Cho.
Okay, well done. Let's see your answers. Check with your partner. Check it. Ready? Okay. These are the answers. Well done. Now, listen again. Choose A or B. The girl is the man's sister or sister's daughter. A or B. Listen again. Circle.
File 4A. Listening. 1,
That's a cute picture. Is she your daughter?
No, she isn't. She's my sister's daughter.
Oh, how old is she?
She's 5, and her name is Peggy.
2,
Hi, Tom. Who's the woman in the picture?
That's Elizabeth. She's in my English class.
She's very good looking. Is she your girlfriend?
Yes, she is.
Lucky you.
3,
Where's my cell phone?
It's there, on the chair.
No, that isn't my phone. It's my sister's.
Oh. Is it in your bag?
Yes, it is.
4,
Look, that's Mia's car.
Is that her husband?
Yeah, his name's Eric.
Eric Lee?
No, that's Mia's last name. His last name is Cho.
Okay, good. Again, check with your partner. Good. Let's see. Yes, the girl is the man's sister's daughter. The woman in the picture is Tom's girlfriend. The woman's phone is in her bag. Mia's last name is Lee. Good. Well done. Now these are some words that you can use. Welcome to our house. Babysitter. Be nice. Have. On. Oh. Uh-oh. That's it, everybody. I hope that you liked this session. If you have any question, you can comment it down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Wish you all the best. Never quit. Nothing comes out of quitting. Always get back up. I know it's tough, but it's not gonna get easier. You have to become stronger.